This is Jacob here, and today, what would you do with the remote and a hammer? Let me give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So pause the video, guess what it is in the comments below. Seriously, if you don't know, it's a hammer. We're going to demolition it. Yes! So, it's been a few minutes. We've already got this part done. I'm going to try to go in here. Whoa. Circuit board out. Wait, right here. Whoa, it's the pause button. I'm screwing into this. Ow, that hurt like crazy. The pause button right here. Oh, come on. Oh, man. The first try, it just went through the bottom of it. Here is the go forward button. Then I'm going to get to the fast forward, or this is the rewind button. Fast forward button. Uh-oh. If you're wondering why I'm destroying this, it's because we got this new remote, so that was cool.
How do you get all those buttons out for this?
I'm using a screwdriver. That went flying. So, that's enough. That's really hard. The best of all, control center, this part. I'm not really, oh yeah, these are the circuit boards. I forgot what they were called for a sec, but this is what controls the whole thing. And then I'm guessing this is the bottom of it. This is blue thing. Oh yes, the frame of it. We're going to take all these buttons out.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Might need some help here.
This is the jackpot.
Yeah.
So earlier, I got this part out. This is the volume button, but it's supposed to go in here. Then do this, and this happened, which is pretty bad. But I got this out, and this, oh, it's backwards. These are all the buttons. What if they work still? That'd be cool. Okay, and then here's this. The frame of it. Wait, I'm going to try to put it back together. I don't know if I have all the scraps. It's the thing. Oh, first, put this in. Oh, man. How am I supposed to do this? So wait, I guess we could just put this kind of into place, sort of. However we do this. Whoa. Oh, I got it. I get this now. So we have to put this one in first, like this. We can get all the buttons in. If you're wondering, am I going to get in trouble for this? No, I already got parent permission. So if you like demolition videos, head over to one of my favorite channels. My second favorite channel, called What's Inside. And all they do is cut things open. It's awesome. Their latest video, they cut open a classic Pac-Man machine. And those are thousands of dollars nowadays.
Jacob?
What?
Do you know where that invisible ink marker that goes to that book sink?
Nope. I'm trying to do this.
Where that is? That invisible marker?
Oh, I'll show you
Where is it?
later. So if you're watching this on the day it comes out, this is what my dad told me at least, but this is when the day George Washington became president. Some of these buttons we need to like push out. Oh yeah, we got it in. Okay. So if we can push really hard. I'm so close, but about as close as I'm gonna get. Oh yeah, I need to push. Show you closer. Push these in around it, so the buttons will go inside it and stick. Then this part. Wrong way. That fits perfect in there. A little loose. Wait, I have an idea. So if I lift up this top part and then I put this in and then I push. Got it. Now I just need to find the other part. Oh, yes. These. These are the top of it. Dang it! It fell out! No!
Jacob.
Wait,
Jacob.
I don't think I'm gonna have the bottom. What? Bottom for this.
That means we're going to Treasure Boat.
What?
Dada. Yeah. The Lego one?
Okay, no, I got it actually. Take this out, put these in, because I think two of these buttons, they're really doing it the wrong way. There's two buttons that come in here, so if we can just reassemble it, that would be amazing. What if it actually works? But I know it's not. Here's one part of it. The outside of it. Okay. So I'll pause it when I'll come back when I get a little bit more progress done. So I found pretty much the cover for it, the bottom, and it was in the trash. Oh yeah, I put it in the trash a few minutes ago. So let's keep working on it. So this part wouldn't go in, and I figured out why. I was missing a piece, and I found it. So I think I'll put the missing pieces back in when it's kind of all done. So when I make more progress, show you guys once again. So the first layer is the buttons, and that's done. Then second layer, carefully put this in. Now, for the circuit boards, this should be easy right here. Just have to match it in. Here's the other one. Okay. Oh man, this is actually looking good. Of course, we're demolishing it. Literally demolishing. If you don't believe me, well, I got nothing to say. now I'm just trying to find all the pieces, put it back together. So once I find them, I'll show you. Okay, now I'm going to put these in. These extra buttons that I took out. I'm going to put them in, and this on demand button. Oh gosh, dang it. Dang it. No. No. I don't care. Okay. Where is that pause button? I can't pause the TV if I don't have my pause button. User. Here's the half broken button that I did. No, I want to be able to pause it. Get on the steps and look from up above. Forget that. So, this is it. But, of course, was I gonna leave it like this? I'm gonna have to hammer it again. I must have put this together really good, actually. Just kidding. This is actually really hard. Yes. So, but I'm gonna keep these circuit boards and all these buttons. But watch this. Kobe.
15 minutes. Really? Really, really?
Yes. Oh, this. This.
Put it back together.
Yeah, but then I'll be sure. I'm terrible at this. I need battery number 1. And battery number 2. Dang. Guys, don't forget to catch up on all my other videos. And all my pieces that I need to throw away. But I have about 2 more left. The big one. I missed. Did that look cool to you? Spider web. Look. I'm terrible at this. Okay. So that's all for this video. See you guys next time. Bye. And these guys too. Don't forget to subscribe.